Hi guys, I know you're getting tired of these solar updates, but there's a lot going on the sun, and again, it's from Sunspot AR1429, as you can see here on stereo behind, and the coronal hole stream that has been Earth facing. That gave us a steady bombardment yesterday and is starting to light up today as it passes over the western limb. There's an M8 on March to arrive on March 12th at around 1800 Universal Time that came out of Sunspot 1429 again. Um, there was another previous M class that is due to arrive uh, probably tonight at around midnight Eastern Standard Time, which is where I'm located. Um, Here's some news from space weather. The solar wind speed is it's above ambient levels. Right now the proton density is not very high, but that's due to change. Spaceweather.com will give you more information on the two M-class flares that have occurred over the past 2 days and when they should arrive. I should mention that the most recent M-class was right on the verge of being into the X-class territory, and as you'll see later, it is pretty much Earth directed, almost directly. Here's your KP index, and the magnetic field is pointing north, which is a good sign. When it points south, you tend to have some holes in the magnetosphere. Here's some more images from EarthSpaceMonitor.com. There's Sunspot 1432. There's the troublesome Sunspot 1429 that's been producing the X and M-class flares. And there's the coronal hole stream that was bombarding us all day and night, yesterday and last night. And there's another, as you can see right there, there's another coronal hole stream that seems to be coming around the eastern limb. Here's another shot close up of 1429, which is still beta, delta, gamma. And Sunspot 1432 is very active. It's not as large as 1429 at the moment, but from what I've seen, it does appear to be beta, delta, gamma as well. This is something that's not mentioned much. I've been watching the ionospheric convection, and we've had one crazy winter here in North Carolina in the southeast. As you can see, we've had the same jet stream stalled pattern all winter, with the Arctic air staying way up into the northern U.S. into Canada, and the warm air coming across the Midwest. Here's the Signet streamer that shows the arrival of the most recent M8. You can find these links on our website, planetxresearch.com or planetxresearch.org, and as you can see, that was pretty Earth directed. Here's some more shots of sunspots 1432, AR1429. These are also courtesy of spaceweather.com. There's a different view of the coronal hole stream that was pounding us yesterday. And off to the eastern limb, that red area, it looks like we have another one possibly coming around. The magnetosphere is still pretty saturated. This is its current state. As you can see, the recovery time is about 22 hours. But with more events arriving, we're going to become saturated again. I wanted to show you the real-time magnetosphere data, but their site seems to be down. And on that site, they have the ionospheric convention map, which I really wanted to show. But and here's some high-res images. Here's what the jet stream pattern looks like at the moment. And again, I would really like to compare this with the ionospheric convection map, because I think there might be a direct relationship there with the solar wind and our weather patterns. If you have news
I'm unable to answer your call right now.
that you would like to
Please leave
submit
your
to our
name,
site, you can
number,
do so right
and a
here
message
on our
after the
contact
tone.
page. Just put in a link description, your link, and just hit submit. If you want to join our mailing list, you can do so right there. Just click that. It'll take you to this form where you can put your nickname, your email address, any comments, and we will add you to our mailing list and keep you updated. Thanks, guys. Until next time.